In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Whimsical into your Coda document. Whether you're a project manager, a creative thinker, or just someone who loves using digital tools to streamline your workflow, embedding Whimsical into Coda can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Whimsical account and navigating to the board or file that you intend to embed into Coda. Whimsical is an excellent tool for creating visual documents and can range from wireframes and flowcharts to sticky notes and mind maps. The visual representation of information is critical to many workflows, and having it embedded within Coda makes it even more accessible. After identifying the board you want to integrate, it's important to create a shareable link. To do this, look for the sharing options typically found in the top right corner within Whimsical, and be sure to set the permissions correctly. You can choose to allow anyone with the link to view the file, which is often the easiest method, particularly if you're collaborating with others who may not have Whimsical accounts. Alternatively, make sure that those who need access are logged into their Whimsical accounts and have permissions set for them. This ensures that everyone who needs to access the board in Coda will be able to do so seamlessly. Once you've secured your shareable link, it's time to switch over to Coda. Open the specific doc or page where you wish to have the Whimsical content visible. Coda is a powerful tool that acts as an online document, spreadsheet, and app development space. And embedding components like Whimsical can enhance its utility even further. In your Coda document, you'll want to type /embed or embed in the page where you're working. By doing this, Coda will prompt you to select the embed block. Alternatively, you can find this by going through the Coda menu by selecting Insert and then Embed. Once you reach this step, paste your Whimsical share link into the provided space in Coda. At this point, Coda gets to work and automatically renders a preview of your Whimsical board right within your document. How easy is that? The final piece of the puzzle is adjusting the sizing and placement of your embedded Whimsical board within the Coda document to your liking. You want to make sure it aligns well with the rest of your content and everything fits cohesively on the page. This step is as flexible as you need it to be, and making these adjustments ensures an aesthetically pleasing presentation of information, enhancing both usability and readability for all viewers. And there you have it. By integrating Whimsical into Coda, you combine the strengths of both tools, creating a more dynamic, visually engaging workspace. Thank you for watching, and happy Coda and Whimsical embedding!